Hey y'all, I have not actually shown my face in a couple of days. Y'all, I was trying to make sure my settings were right. Y'all, ignore my dried flowers in the back. I actually kind of like the look of the dried flowers. But anyway, y'all, it's been an afternoon for me. Okay, I have gym clothes on because that's where we're headed right now. But I have been outside, you guys, handing out resumes. I am really hungry. I baked some chicken yesterday. So I'm getting ready to make a salad real quick before I head to the gym. And today is going to be a leg day for me, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat this food and then come back home. My sister made some soup and is telling me to come get some of that, so I may stop by and get that and actually just eat that for dinner. I do have some salmon already thawed just in case I decide to cook that as well. So I don't know, y'all, I'm gonna see how I feel when I leave the gym. I also have some editing to do as well to finish up. This morning when I got up, I went ahead and put my sheets in the washer. And y'all, I don't know about y'all, but I just love the feeling of sleeping on fresh sheets. So it's gonna be some really good sleep tonight. So when I get back, I'm gonna go ahead and put those on my bed. I have some boiled eggs that I had boiled a couple of days ago that I'm gonna go ahead and put on this salad to add a little extra protein. While also this week I started watching WAGs, and I'm looking at the Miami version, y'all, over here formulating opinions about this show. And y'all, honestly, I don't know what to think about the whole show, but all I know is I do not like how they were treating Rick Ross baby. I don't know what that was, but yeah, I don't like how they were treating Rick Ross baby mama on the show. I really don't appreciate that. But yeah, that's been my Netflix watch series that I've been looking at this week, because after Beauty and Black, I haven't been knowing, what to turn on. Really, I am like a documentary person. I love watching documentaries. Y'all, I need to, you know what, I actually have an ad I gotta get posted, so I'm gonna do that as well when I get back. And then I have a couple of ads that I need to go ahead and record, but I think I'm going to do those tomorrow. Actually, I'm gonna do one tomorrow. I'll probably do the other one over the weekend. So I'm trying to decide if I want to show y'all my salad because it's not looking very cute, but I'm gonna show y'all anyway. Hey y'all, so it's Sunday. I'm not even sure when is the last time I picked up my camera. Y'all, these past few days have been feeling like a whirlwind, to be honest. Since it's Sunday, y'all already know what that means. It's time to get active, be active outside. So I am headed now to the park to do a quick, either probably y'all some sprints, because when I say I'll be going running, I don't actually like run the whole time. I just will sprint and then I'll walk and then sprint and then walk. So that's what we are headed to the park, y'all, to do today. And then I have some more content to film after that. I worked yesterday and got off pretty late last night. So I didn't get a ton done yesterday around the house or anything. I really still need to do some laundry. So we're gonna do this exercise at the park. I'm gonna pick up some stuff from the grocery store. I'm thinking about getting a sushi roll, but I really don't need to do that. I actually just need to get some groceries to make, but I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna see how I feel when I get there. And then my sister and I are supposed to be going to the movies later, y'all, to see that new movie. I think it's called Him, something like that, y'all. I hadn't even watched the preview. You know what? I need to watch it because I've been saying I'm gonna watch it this past 24 hours and still haven't watched it. But yeah, I feel like we just been going to the movies a lot recently just to get out and do something. So yeah, so we headed in to see that. That's pretty much going to be my Sunday, y'all. Just trying to have not too stressful of a day. So I am excited to get out because I have not had time all week, y'all, to get outside. And I always feel so much better after being outside. I mean, I always feel better in general after just like moving, you know, whatever exercise I do. So y'all, we just got to the park and it looks like it is some games or something going on here, which is a good thing, because sometimes when I come to these parks around Atlanta, they be a little deserted and I don't always feel the most safe. But yeah, I'm glad there's people out here today, y'all. So I'm done with the run slash walk. It was mainly a walk because I'm so tired, y'all. I don't know why, because I actually slept pretty good last night, but I've actually been taking these supplements from this brand that reached out. They have CBD in them and I feel like they've been helping me sleep at night, but I think it's just this whole week combined, y'all. It's just been a lot to do, a lot going on. So but yeah, I'm just going to head to Publix real quick and then run in there, get a couple of fruit, and then I really don't have time to do like any lengthy grocery shopping right now because our movie starts in about an hour and I don't want to be late, because y'all do always be late to the movies and I'll be the one, like, you know, can't even find my seat because it's dark. So I don't feel like going through that today. I'm gonna just get like a vegetable real quick and some fruit and then head straight back to the apartment and get ready for the movies. So I ended up getting more from the store than what I originally planned. But yeah, but it's okay because at least I got a majority of my grocery shopping out the way. So I'm just about to throw something else on super quick, y'all. Tuna for protein. Y'all see I picked up some more bison. I'm clearly a fan of it now. I needed some sausage for breakfast, of course some fruit, and my grapes, of course. Y'all know I love me some grapes, and some green beans for my vegetable and chicken. Hey y'all, so it's the next day and I'm putting on my makeup now because my dad is in town and I am headed to meet up with him probably for a quick lunch before I head into work. But y'all, after the movie theater, I don't know what it was. I had some popcorn and candy. The Bunch of Crunch is what me and my sister always get, and my stomach was so tore up. Like, I just y'all, this may be TMI. I was on the toilet for a long time. It was just so bad, y'all, and I don't even know what it was. I'm like, is this something I ate from days ago? Because it couldn't have just been the popcorn and the candy, because that has never happened before over popcorn and candy. But you know what, y'all, I'm also on my cycle and I get really bad diarrhea. That's just what it is when I'm on my period. And I know a lot of us women do, because that's just our bodies like cleaning itself out, right, for that time of the month. But him, y'all, that was a very interesting movie. I feel like anything Jordan Peele is involved in is always very kind of weird, on the weird side. So, and y'all, just went in with my NARS foundation. You already know this is my all-time favorite foundation. I need to try a new one soon. I think I have some others that I just haven't used or tried. I'm gonna switch it up soon. But so yeah, if you haven't seen the previews for it, it is very much about a football player and, you know, something about strength or magic powers. Y'all, I'm probably the wrong one to explain this. Y'all just need to watch the trailer. But being passed down to him and some weird rituals they have him doing. And, you know, I'm sure it's a lot of think pieces out there, because I feel like it always is after a Jordan Peele movie. You know, people telling what they think stuff means. And I can kind of see some of it making sense, because especially when they were going through the rituals, I was like, y'all know all the rumors we all have heard about Hollywood and how they have just blood, because they were doing that blood, taking blood from one person, putting it in the next type stuff going on. I don't know about y'all, but I do believe that some of that stuff be going on in Hollywood, which is why some people call it Holly weird. I believe in it, but it was just an odd kind of movie, low-key. But I mean, at least we got to see it, because I like supporting Jordan Peele. The movies do be weird, but I like supporting him as a person, because he is a black man that made it, and that actually has a black wife. Y'all know we don't see that too much in Hollywood, especially once they make it. So I know he's been with his wife for a really long time. So, you know, at least to support him as a writer. Would I see it again? Yeah, probably not. I don't really care to watch it again. But honestly, sometimes I feel like when I do watch stuff again, I see something that I missed the first time. So maybe I would watch it one more time just to see. But I don't know. Y'all gotta let me know what you thought about it if you actually watched the movie or have seen it. I am definitely skipping workouts today. I was just doing work, or I've been doing work since I woke up today. And I ate a super light breakfast since I knew I was meeting up with my dad. And my parents, they just love to eat out, y'all. Like, that's their thing. That's what they do. And y'all know me. We haven't been eating out like that because we still trying to lose weight. But I don't mind it, of course, here and there. So yeah, I know we're going to be going somewhere to grab food. Not really sure where. I haven't even had time to look yet. Because like I said, yesterday, y'all, I was in the bed for the rest of the night. And I really did have other stuff to do, but it was just, I couldn't even do it. But y'all know one thing I heard, because y'all, of course, I've been like analyzing my body and everything, just kind of looking at myself. And like I said, I definitely have a ways to go, but I do think that I'm going to incorporate creatine into my routine. I've been going back and forth on it and just not really sure how I felt about it, but I've been seeing a lot of people talk about it, and I saw someone that I do trust their recommendation. They do wellness type content as well, and seem to be someone that like researches things before they share. And I'm also going to do more research, but they shared a creatine and their body is just looking really good. They are also on a fitness journey and have done really nice transformation. So she shared a link to her creatine, got it from Amazon. And of course, like I said, I'm going to do a little more research on it. And I am hearing like good things about creatine. And then I'm also, but the part that's been throwing me off or scaring me off is the bloating. I've been hearing some people say that creatine makes them bloat. And y'all know we don't need that because, yeah, that's just the main part of my body that I am trying to lose more fat in my stomach. So, yeah. Because honestly, I feel like the rest of my body, y'all, is just getting smaller. But when the people say that your stomach is the last to go, because I've been hearing that this whole time, they right, okay? And y'all, it was so funny. I was watching this dude, or some TikTok came up over the weekend. He was like, if you have lost weight and your butt is gone, and you think like, oh, I done lost my booty. You never had a booty. It was just fat. I was like, you know what? I needed to hear that because he's right. He's right. He was like, you just never had a butt. Your glute muscles are just not developed. And they never were developed. So that's something that you need to be working on or continue to work on. So yeah, he is so right, y'all. Because sometimes I just be like, dang, you know, I'm losing all of my curves and stomach is still here. But like he said, we just got to keep going, keep working out, keep working on our glute muscles and muscles in our whole body. And y'all, honestly, I'm getting stronger though, because ones where you go up like this, I only could do like 10s at first, and then I did work my way up to 15-pound dumbbells. So, but I could only do like, put my arms in the air like 3 times with the 15 pounds. And now I can do like 7. So we for sure getting stronger. So what I've been doing, y'all, is if I get to the point where I can do like 7 or whatever, then I will up the weight a little bit, at least till I can get to like 3 to 4 reps, and then do that. And then I may like go back down for my second sets to a little bit lighter weight to where I can do like up to 10 or a little more. So I'm over here with my coffee. Y'all already know. It is the sea salt and honey. It's so good. So y'all, also YSL sent over this new blush recently, and it says make me blush on it, and it has the number 15, so I think 15 may be the shade. But it's so pretty, y'all. I don't know about y'all, but I truly love a bright blush on brown skin. Ooh, that's a lot. Y'all, did not mean to put that much blush. We went to the masterclass this summer with King Molly. Y'all, she is one of the makeup artists for NARS, and she was teaching us that it was a masterclass with NARS and with her being the instructor, and she was telling us that you literally need the smallest amount of blush. And y'all, I really just overdid it with that. I did not mean, hold on y'all, let me blend this in. I feel like that looks a little better. I went in with some of my Charlotte Tilbury airbrush brightening, and I just went in with a little bit of that under my eye. Basically, I put the blush, y'all, under the powders. So y'all, I'm done with my makeup. I feel like it came out super cute. When I tell y'all, if you are having issues with your skincare not working as well as it normally does, or makeup not sitting as smooth as it normally does, definitely, if it's in your budget, get a facial treatment, because my everything is just working so much better on my skin after that hydrofacial. Shout out to Georgia Dermatology Partners. If you are in the Atlanta area and looking for a Black owned dermatologist to analyze your skin and just help you with texture and all of that, because mine definitely looks so much better. I'm so glad I got that treatment. So yeah, this is pretty much going to be the end of this vlog, y'all. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.